In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a cinematic look in Darktable. This process will help you transform your images into something that feels straight out of a movie, giving your photos an artistic and dramatic flair. So, let's dive into it, and don't worry, I'll walk you through each step. To get started, open your photo in the darkroom view of Darktable. This is where all the magic happens, and you'll have access to a wide array of tools that will help you shape your image. It's important to start off by choosing the right photo, perhaps one with strong lighting or interesting composition, as these will really benefit from a cinematic touch. Next, we want to use the Color Balance RGB module to begin shaping our image's mood. Here, you can apply teal shadows and warm highlights. This color scheme is typical for creating a cinematic feel, as it mimics the color grading often used in films. Teal and orange complement each other well and bring a visual interest that can make your image pop. Simply adjust the sliders for shadows and highlights until you're pleased with how they interact within the image. After setting your colors, you'll want to add some contrast. Using the Tone Equalizer or the RGB Curves module, you can boost this contrast to create a more dramatic mood. This step is crucial because it defines the light and shadows more distinctly, enhancing the overall storytelling aspect of your photo. As you adjust, be mindful not to lose detail in the darkest and brightest areas, aiming for a nice balance that enhances your image without being overdone. Once your contrast is set, consider lowering the saturation slightly. This helps in giving the image a film-like color palette. A common characteristic of cinematic images is their subtlety. They have color, but not too much, just enough to catch your eye without overwhelming it. Slightly reducing saturation will keep your image looking natural while maintaining that artistic edge. Finally, we'll finish with a subtle vignette to draw attention to your subject. This is a gentle darkening of the image's corners, which naturally leads the viewer's eyes towards the center or the main subject. Vignettes can enhance the focus and are a subtle yet powerful tool in guiding the narrative of your shot. And that's how you create a cinematic look in Darktable with just a few adjustments. It's amazing how such small changes can transform a regular photo into something that feels like it belongs on a silver screen. Experiment with these techniques, adjust according to your style, and soon you'll be creating your very own cinematic masterpieces. Thank you so much for watching, and happy editing.